cups of water and 2 tablespoons of salt. In the next tub, we have 5 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And finally, 5 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of nothing.
These are my Aggies. That's Lucy. That's Alfred. And this is Sebastian. He's afraid of everything.
Apparently.
This is what happens whenever an egg tries to swim in regular water.
Glug, glug.
Breathe! It's dead. This is what happens whenever an egg tries to swim in sugar water. Hey!
It floats.
She knows how to swim! I'm so proud of my baby! You want to get in closer for that? It actually looks really cool.
That's really...
It's weird.
She's swimming and drowning at the same time.
My baby has gills.
And the scaredy cat.
Last but not least, my baby who doesn't even know how to breathe yet. Oh.
Not enough sugar? I mean salt? Or water? Maybe? I don't know.
Well then,
Did I get the sugar?
salt water sucks. Sugar water for all the eggs.
Conclusion.
It's a
Well
swimming
then,
party.
I guess that's the conclusion of our experiment, isn't it?
I guess.
Let's go make an Research. Density is defined as mass divided by volume. So when we say that salt water is denser than regular water, it means that there's more mass in a certain volume of the salt water than there is in the same volume of normal water. When you add table salt to water, the salt dissolves into ions. The volume increases by a small factor, but the mass increases by a bigger factor. There are 2 reasons. One is simply that the salt is much denser than water to begin with, mainly because its ions have more mass than the oxygen and hydrogen atoms in the water molecules. You're being really noisy. Also, the ions bond with the water molecules so that the volume of salt water isn't as big as the water volume plus the salt volume. Because sugar becomes dissolved into the water is heavier with sugar in it than without. That's our experiment.
And that is...
But no one knows.